welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna, and today is going to be a makeup video, and I'm going to start by letting you know the products I'm going to be using for this look. So for my eyes, I'm basically going to be using a gel-like eyeliner, and this is in black. And then I'm going to be using the e.l.f. actual liner for like my wing eye. I love this because it's kind of like a marker felt tip, and it really helps with like precision. So that's what I'm going to be using for like my wing eyeliner, and just some mascara. This right here is the Black Radiance mascara, but just some mascara for my eyes. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using these magnetic lashes, and it comes with the magnetic liner as well. And I got these off of Amazon. I'll link it below if anybody's interested, but they are the magnetic lashes. For my eyebrows, I'm just using like a dark brown eye pencil. I got this from like Dollar Tree, y'all, so that's what I'm using for my eyebrows. And also some concealer, and it's the Ruby Kisses, the level 10 concealer. One is kind of a little lighter and the other is a little darker. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in a color the number 515. For concealer for my eyes, I'm using the Hard Candy Glamouflage concealer, and then the Infallible Pro Glow concealer. So just one that's a little lighter than the other for my concealer. For my lips, I'm using the ColourPop Limbo lipstick, and it's kind of like a dark rustic brown. And then just to line my lips before I put it on, I'm using the MAC and that lip pencil, and that's in the color Chestnut. So that'll be for my lips. And for contouring, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance. I can't remember what color. I used to use the mahogany one, so this is the one before mahogany. And then I'm also going to be using the CoverGirl, and this right here is like the infamous Ebony Bronze. So I'm going to be using that as well. Just to kind of set my face with powder, I'm going to be using a Neutrogena Skin Mineral powder, which I've definitely hit pan on. But yeah, this right here is in the color Tan 80. And for highlight, I'm using the infamous Crayon Case Anglola highlighter. And to prime my face, I'm just going to use the Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer. And to set it, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Just doing my makeup, my face for the day. And for my makeup videos, y'all, I just kind of wanted to be like relaxing, just like a relaxed type mode. You know what I'm saying? Just watching me do my makeup and things like that, like my face of the days, which I will have more of these coming on my channel. Just again, just face of the days for me. You know, me playing in some makeup and just coming out with my face for the day. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just let y'all watch the video. And thank y'all so much for tuning back in. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to definitely thumbs it up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, you guys, share wherever you share your videos at. And like I always tell y'all, drop a comment down below because I love talking to y'all. So yeah, y'all, go ahead and just let y'all finish watching the video and my face for the day.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.